Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and I'm here today to review and install Luvme hair. So this is my first time purchasing this hair from this company. If you haven't seen Luvme hair on your newsfeed, whether it's Facebook or Instagram, they are everywhere, and a lot of people have been doing a lot of reviews and saying a lot of good stuff about them. I personally didn't have a great experience with the seller, so let me just run into this real quick and then we'll get into what the packaging looks like and stuff like that. So when I ordered the hair, it got lost. UPS lost the package. I don't know what happened. It didn't came in the time span that he said it was gonna come. So I noticed that it was lost, and the tracking had just disappeared off the UPS website. So I contacted the seller and I was like, hey, UPS said they lost my package. They put in the claim. What's happening? What are you guys doing on your end? They copied and pasted something that they keep sending me. Sorry for your inconvenience. We'll contact UPS and let you know later. And this has been going on for 2 weeks, and they've been copying and pasting the same thing to me whenever I say, where's my package? But when I say, will I get a refund? You know, will you guys reship my package? What's gonna happen? They don't reply to those emails. But if I say, where's my package? Then they copy and paste. Sorry for the inconvenience. We'll contact UPS, or contact UPS and ask them and like track it using the tracking number or something like that. And it went on and on. So I decided to go on their Instagram and go on their Facebook page and comment underneath, and they replied right away. You know why? Because other people are seeing that negative comment, so they're quick to comment under there. Oh, I'm so sorry, please email us or whatever. So I copy and paste the email to him and be like, I did email you guys and you guys didn't reply to my messages. So it was a back and forth thing with the seller. So I would say customer service suck, and I am very upset that I had to go through all that just to receive my hair. But anyway, I did get it in the box. I will say that the packaging, however, is beautiful. I will give them credit for that. The hair is a little bit pricey, and even though they give you like little accessories with it, I don't feel like even the hair quality has to be worth that much. So I'm gonna even tell you guys how much I paid, the inches of the hair, specs, and all that extra stuff. So this is what the box looked like, and open the box. Okay, so right here, as you guys can see, it comes with some lashes. So these lashes, I mean, they're okay. There's some little thin lashes. I don't know, I mean, the lashes are okay. I'm not sure if I'll wear them because they're so thin. If you put them on, you might not notice that you have them on. But this is a cute like lash case for you to keep and travel with. So why not? So this is the hair. It come in a, this is not satin. This is, I forgot what this material called, but it come in a little wig bag that says Luvme. We're gonna open that last. In the end of the box, we have adjustable bands. We have a wig cap. We have a Luvme purse. And then we have a booklet with all the instructions on hair care, return and refund policy. So in this Luvme purse, which I think is really cute. So it comes with a headscarf. It's gonna come in handy. Comes with an extra band. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. Comes with a tail comb. Comes with some bobby pins. Comes with a tweezer. And it comes with a Luvme clip. You guys see that? Luvme clip. And the purse is empty. Let's try, see. This is the scarf. This is really good to tie your edges down with, and it can be worn on both sides. So I think that's cute. And that's all that came in the box. The box is completely empty. So now we're gonna look at the hair. So this hair is water wave. And this is a 16-inch, and I paid $178 for it. And I did use like a 10% discount code. I think that was on the site. So this was actually almost $200, and it only took like 10% off. And this is just a 16-inch. So honestly, for 16 inches shouldn't be that expensive. And this is why I'm like, I paid almost $200 for this hair. The least that you guys can do is reply to my emails. That's all I ask. Reply to my emails, love me hair. So yeah, it's slightly bleached, but I'm gonna have to bleach it some more because even like, I mean, the parts are okay, I guess. So we're gonna put her on my head, and we're gonna see if we need to bleach it or not, and come back. Okay, so I'm back with the hair. I did bleached it some more, and I washed the hair, so now it's has this curl, smell good, and all that good stuff. So earlier I was telling you guys about the hair. So it says invisible knots, which clearly indicates that they did bleach the knots just a little bit, but it wasn't a lot. Like the roots were still dark. Like now you could tell from before, like now the roots look a little bit more natural. So I ended up had to re-bleach the hair, because even though they bleached the knots a little bit, they didn't bleach it like 100%. It was just like slightly touched. So the hair is also pre-plucked. It's 180 density. I didn't change the density, like it didn't give me an option to go up or down. So this is how it originally comes, 180. It is in the color natural black. It's pre-plucked, like I said, and it's called Top Swiss Lace. So it is brown. It has like a little brown. It's not HD or all that extra stuff. So I am happy that I bleached it even more. It didn't like reach all the way where I wanted to, but we're gonna try it on. We're gonna see what we're working with. Okay. Okay, so now I laid down my wig cap, put some foundation on it, and now we're gonna try the wig on to make sure that it is secure on my head.
time in a red light. For some reasons I can't find. It was a long time till I felt right. I was hoping and praying and wanting to feel again. Spent a long time in a red light, long time in a red light, hoping and praying and wanting to feel again.
Yeah.
Wanting to feel again. He needs some milk.
Well, you have reached the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this review and install, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment and share and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.